Bombay. Shirwani.
No, I was looking.
No, I'm from business of Bollywood.
Correct. Yes, I remember.
I even remember you said, why don't you only ask questions?
Special, yeah, producer.
Very seriously about it.
That's good. And you're moving to Chandigarh now? What is happening? No, they want me to sit. This couch. Is the AC not working now? Do you want the tissue? Yeah.
Going back now.
No, I'm going tomorrow morning. I have some work here.
But programming ends.
Acha.
Start?
Yeah.
Okay. So hi Sonam, unlike all those other questions, this is purely going to be about Tommy Hilfiger and this fall-winter collection. So firstly, welcome to Chandigarh. And secondly, is the launch of Tommy Hilfiger India in Chandigarh. Do you think this brand will put this city on the international fashion map?
I hope so, because Tommy Hilfiger has got very classic American but stylish, but at the same time classic taste, which I think is amazing.
Do you think it's a proper mix between a contemporary, classic?
Yeah,
so even
absolutely.
a college boy can wear it?
I think anybody can wear it, and at the same time look fashionable in it, which is the most amazing thing about Tommy Hilfiger. That's why it's been around for so many years.
Now, who better than you can explain what is this fall-winter collection and what do you like about it?
Well, first of all, there's a lot of layers in it, which is incredible. Also, there's houndstooth print, which is very prevalent in the clothes. What is also really exciting are the colors. There's navy, there's burgundy, there's a lot of shirts. It's inspired, it's very Harry Potter-ish, college-y, I think, which is very cool about.
Do you think it's the brand for the aspiring India?
Yeah, of course. It's you have to look classic and chic all the time, and I think it'll clean up the way we kind of look sometimes.
This brand has been around for a very long time. So as a child, do you have any association? I'm sure you.
Yeah, I mean, of course, you always think of Tommy Hilfiger as someone who's very American, very fashionable and stuff like that. So yeah.
I always say it's a brand. You keep saying it's preppy with a twist. Can you explain what is preppy?
Preppy is, like I said, it's very university, but it's very clean cut. It's not grungy. It's very it's very clean. It's very classic. It's very stylish. There's no grunge or hippie or any of those elements to it.
If you were to pick some clothes today,
I picked those are the ones I picked.
So those are the ones.
Those are the ones. Yeah, those are the ones I would take home.
Okay. And now, okay, the kind of weather that we have in India.
Yeah.
So I'm sure a lot of fans would want to know from Sonam Kapoor, what is #Sonam Kapoor fashion tip for this season?
For winter, I mean, the great thing about India is that winter is different in all parts of the country. So right now we are in Chandigarh and the winter is very cold, So I suggest layering, but in Bombay it just gets a little chilly in the night. So I guess stockings and boots and a sweater in the night. But I don't think, and it's very hot during the day. So I can't comment on India in general, but I guess if it's really cold, then you know what to do. If it's not so cold, you know what to do.
But this fall-winter collection, can it work across India?
Yeah, see, what I'm wearing, it's really hot right now. It's a very light sweater with a silk shirt, so I can get away with this in a Bombay or something like that. But the rest of the stuff, you need to wear in North India, where it's really cold.
And if you have to say Tommy Hilfiger as a brand and associated with one celebrity, who would it be?
Me.
What are the
That's why they got me here.
What is the brand?
Well, I think it's very classic because and it's fashionable and it's got a little twist to it, and I think that describes me as well.
Absolutely. You really know your fashion well.
Thank you.
I totally believe when you say that you choose things that you wear.
Yeah.
So you've been buying Tommy for very long.
Very, very long time, yeah.
Okay. And I'm sure you've been asked this many times.
Yeah.
Would you trade comfort for fashion?
Yes.
You would?
Yeah.
But does this fall-winter collection?
It's very comfortable and fashionable, so it works. I don't mind paying the money for it.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Anything else you want to say?
No. Thank you. Thank you.
Nice meeting you.
Thank you.
See you back in Bombay.
Yes.
Bye.
Bye.